Hey everybody, Jeffrey here. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's around 3 o'clock right now. 15:07 for all you military buffs out there. Alright, I've been on a couple times today with scam calls and with just talking about different things. Tonight at 10 p.m. Central Time, we are going to be on KHQA Channel 10 News. I just did an interview. They wanted to talk with us about suicide awareness and Suicide Awareness Month and what goes on and stuff like that. So if you want, tune in tonight on Channel 7 on KHQA News or KHQA.com, I think it is. Tri-State, something like that. I'll try to get more info to you, but it's going to be on tonight at 10 o'clock on the news, and then it'll also be on their website. So anyway, I hope each and every one of you are having a great day. I did the best I could with the interview. I don't know what it's going to be like, so we're going to find out at 10 o'clock. So anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Know that each and every one of you matters. That's why I did the interview. And know that you do make a difference. All right, everybody, I will talk with everybody soon. Have a good one. Bye.